Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? So I'm here to make a video on how to fix or adjust your timer on your Freightliner radio. This is the model I have. It might work on your model. I'm not sure exactly, but basically, it took me a while to try to figure out how to do it. I finally figured it out. So, like I said, this is my model here. It might work on yours, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it real quick, knock it out. First, you want to make sure that the radio is on. So once it's on, you go ahead and press this TF button here. You hold that down, and then once you do that, it'll give you the options to change the hours. Well, let me try that one more time. It'll give you the option to change the hours to go up or down, and it'll go switch through AM and PM automatically. That's the right time, so I'm not going to change that. And then to change the minutes, it's the same thing. You push it again and you just adjust it up or down. So I'm gonna leave it how it is, and then lock it in, and you could just turn your radio off or on. But your radio has to be on for you to do it, because if you try to do it with the radio off, it's not going to work. So you guys have a good one. I hope this helped you out, and drive safely.